Shark, connected. Shark, network key 419-474-3318. First, I'm going to try manual mode. Please confirm that the panel has charged by adapter plugged up. Go to the panel menu, choose Wi-Fi, submenu, click Wi-Fi bonding. Wi-Fi, submenu, Wi-Fi bonding. Wait until the panel display goes to mobile, click Connect on App. Connect on App. Turn to Wi-Fi menu of smartphone. Click IWTAC. IWTAC will never show. I could wait forever. It'll still not show. So, what we'll do, we'll try automatic. Wi-Fi, automatic mode. Please confirm that the panel is charged by adapter. Cord's plugged up. Go to the panel main menu, choose Wi-Fi, submenu, Wi-Fi bonding. Submenu, Wi-Fi bonding. Wait till the panel screen display, go to mobile, click Connect on App. Click Connect on App. Input Wi-Fi name and password in the app, then click Connect. The panel will show the Wi-Fi connection procedure automatically. 419-474-3318. Smart config error or timeout.